Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today it's modification day. Hooray! Since the car is fixed finally and still running great, hooray. For how long, nobody knows. But we have something new for the car, and that's a Turbosmart, if you can read it, a Turbosmart Blowoff Valve. So we are going to replace the GFB Plus diverter valve because I think it's causing a boost leak, and I have heard multiple people complaining about boost leaks on them. So if you open the box over here, you can see it's a very clean kit. As you can see, the ball valve really looks great. It's really solid material. But we are going to install it. I'm not gonna do it myself. I don't trust myself. A friend of mine who is mechanic, I'm going to meet up with him, and he is going to install the piece of kit on my car, and I'll show you him fuzzling about, and then we are gonna do some sound and pulling and whatever. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. So the first clip you'll hear is with the stock, no, not really the stock, but the DV Plus diverter valve. And then when it's installed, we'll get to the blowoff valve. So mechanic Bere is installing. He's removing the DV Plus, and then he's going to install the blowoff valve. So yeah, we are very curious how it will work out at the end of the installation. Bere.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, he has a very cool 316D with 120 horsepower over there. Very slow car. No, his car smokes mine. Pretty badly. Okay, so Mechanic Bere is a hard worker. He's removing everything as fast as he can, and then when the blow-off valve is installed over there, then we can hear some nice sound clips. Okay, so here is the diverter valve, and then here is the blow-off valve, and it's just getting installed. Like you see, it's 3 bolts, very easy, and then just plug in a little plug, and yeah, it's a 5-minute job. Very easy. So yeah. Okay, so now the blowoff valve is installed. Time for sound. Okay. I'm not sure if you hear anything, but I definitely do. Yeah, nice. Okay, it's a cool sound. It's better as with the diverter valve, which I forgot in the garage. I just think about that. Shit. Anyway, yeah. So yeah, I swiftly went back to pick up my old diverter valve because I couldn't let it lay there, because it's a public space and people will drive over it and then it will get fucked. But I had to drive a little bit fast because we have a night clock here. Our government wants us to be inside before 12 o'clock. Well, I didn't really make 12 o'clock. I guess I'm lucky I didn't see any cops. Anyway, so yeah guys, the new blowoff valve is installed. It's a nice fun modification. It's more future proof than the diverter valve, and also in the future when we're upgrading the turbo, it will also benefit more from the blowoff valve, apparently. That's what I heard. So yeah guys, we are done for today. I'm going to, make a full video about the blow-off valve, how it sounds, how it is to drive, outside clips, stuff like that. So that's still a video to come, but I want to make it like separately. How do I like it, and stuff like that. So yeah, we are still gonna make it. And then a boost video, to see if the car actually has more or less boost. If I don't feel any major difference. Maybe like in the higher RPMs, the car feels a little bit more punchier, but nothing that I can tell. But yeah, guys, anyway, let us say thanks for watching. And the next video will be, the appointment is already made, will be the Android screen. Finally, very big request, asked quite a lot. The Android screen, it will be there. Finally, guys, finally we will have the Android screen on the car. And also an appointment is made for the boost pipe and charge pipe. But I probably going to, put it back 1 week, just because of the coolant leak. That was €170, but that wasn't money I counted for, and I just had to refuel the car a little bit sooner than I actually expected. So no, that's a good €220 less than I predicted that I have currently. So yeah, we are going to push back the valve, the boost pipe and the charge pipe by a week. And then when I get next payment, we should get it installed and everything should be fine. And then we're getting along. We are getting along, so everything gets done. Coolant is fixed. Coolant leak is fixed. PCV brake is fixed. Now the blow-off valve is installed. So we are getting there. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.